It's a Friday. Just got done with a shed. Come reset my bay with me. Y'all know the drill. Time to dump this box. It's extra crusty under here today, so we're gonna scoop all the junk out and into here.
Super clean.
We're just gonna dump all this into here. One thing that indicates a successful week is a lot of sawdust. A lot of sawdust means a lot of routing, which means a lot of windows, and a lot of windows means extra money. Now for the part you all have been waiting for, the dump.
To whoever said this fork pocket doesn't work, respectfully, you're wrong.
And I know you think that's all trash. It's my firewood for the weekend. It's gonna be a good time.